the question is, what are the benefits of any kind of automation? Now, at the very beginning, when you talk about human traders, you are kind of chained to your trading desk whenever you need to execute trades, and the moments when you need to leave, when you need to go grab a bite, or when you need to go take get a smoking break or some such, you are not at your desk, while the markets do not pause when you are away from your trading terminal. Now, even in terms of the response time to events that occur, some of the most seasoned traders would also take maybe under a second or so to react virtually instantly to any kind of news that comes their way, to which they want to take a view in terms of buys or sells. We also have to deal with the fact that there is only so much that we can do in terms of our cognitive capabilities, right? However much there's been an evolution in terms of technology and in terms of even communication networks and stuff, the human cognitive toolkit has barely changed for maybe a millennium or so, right? Which means we are now at a point where we have access to a lot more information at our fingertips. We have access to a lot of computing power, but the processing that happens in our own heads hasn't changed all that much. To take that further, because of the fact that you're monitoring so many different prices or different instruments at a given point in time, it also means that it's harder to manage those risks for all these portfolios with so many different positions that you take. So, and this is the reality that we need to deal with. You also have what we call, fat finger error, which means sometimes you might just key in the wrong order with maybe a 0 here or a 0 there, can make a big difference with regard to sending out the wrong kind of trades. So these are some of the issues that human traders face. On the other hand, when you have any kind of automated trading system, one of the first things you get is that it's 100% up. There are no breaks, because we are not talking about human beings who need breaks and who need to go sleep and all of that. You're talking about systems that can be up nearly 100% of the time. The response time to opportunities can also be a lot shorter. Now, some of these points are more to do with high frequency trading, but several of those translate pretty well even to low frequency or medium frequency that some of us who want to do retail trading would deal with. You can also manage portfolios with positions in a lot of instruments in parallel. So the very fact that you have access to processing power as well as memory would mean that both monitoring and managing can for a lot of instruments can be done in parallel. And there is, of course, no scope for sending out wrong trades. However, I just want to add one little caveat here, that also means that we need to be that much more careful when we program our strategies, because any kind of errors there can unravel our position pretty quickly, right? Because orders might get sent in error, and it will be hard for you to stop these orders from executing and stuff.